Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Bank Scammer Finally Gets What He Deserves by Midwest Safety.
No, you are not free to leave.
Oh, he done played a little football.
He's running. Day before he's running. Stop running. Stop.
Oh! He's probably messing around.
Stop fighting. You're gonna get tased.
Fight back! He's running so slow.
He's running through traffic. Dairy Queen parking lot. Running back towards Fiber.
This cop is not gonna catch this guy. Oh my god. Unless he falls again.
Stop!
Oh.
Stop! 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 He got in a vehicle. He's driving away.
Oh, damn.
Adam Charles. He went towards Tibbetts.
What is that?
I don't know which way it went once it hit Tibbetts. There's a Washington plate.
Wallet and then the coat.
Where's the check and all that? Can I see it?
Before the officer arrived at this bank, the suspect was attempting to cash in a fraudulent check. While the suspect is involved in a much larger organized financial crime operation than police currently realize, the officer now questions the bank manager to find out more about the situation.
Dang it. Okay, why do we think this is?
I called the number.
Okay.
Said that his house has been broken into, and the police reported his house was broken into 2 p.m. Sunday morning.
Okay, that's when their house got broken into?
Yeah.
Okay.
Somebody lying.
All right, thank you.
Sorry about all that.
Oh, that's all good. I was just irritated he got away. He got in that car and started it, and I didn't want to hold on to him.
Yeah.
That's a good way to get hurt. And of course, I had to give my taser to our DT guy. So I didn't have it, or else I'd have hit him with that. Dang it. This is his?
Yeah, that's his.
Okay, thank you.
The bank manager informs the officer that she spoke to the real owner of the check, and they revealed that their house was broken into just a day prior to the incident, and their vehicle was stolen as well. This leads
Big
police
dummy.
to believe the suspect who fled from the scene is also the one who broke into that house in order to steal the check and the vehicle, while there are still even
How you gonna steal a check after Never mind.
more pieces to the puzzle yet to be uncovered. 2 days later, an officer with the Track and Field Police Department notices the same vehicle the suspect fled
The
in
Track and Field Police Department. Wait a minute. What they got to do with anything?
parked across the street.
Hey, to your hands! Stop! Police department, stop right there! You're gonna get tased!
Uh-oh. I don't even see him in the body cam.
Hey, you're gonna get tased! Stop!
He ran into his car. This guy is a track star. He's a runner. He's a track star. He gonna run away when it get hard.
Dispatch 818. We're gonna be on Marine and 5th, crossing the street, headed eastbound.
I would have been gave up by now. I ain't gonna lie to you. I would have been gave up.
Stop. Stop. Hey, dude, just stop. Stop right there.
Damn. He was able to catch him? He tired as hell.
Hey,
I would have laughed if he would have hit him with like a little juke move, boy. I would have died.
stop. Dispatch 18, I got him in the Wana parking lot. Do not move. Move. Sit down. Do not move. What are you doing running, dude?
That boy been running a long time.
Think we run like that, bro? Come on.
Chase me.
Can you get up for me? Come on. Come this way. Want to grab his phone? You're all good, bro. Give me a workout, right? Anything on you that's okay. Anything in your pockets, bro? Some change. Spread your feet for me. Thanks, brother.
He was running in boots.
You need to know about?
He did not come prepared.
Yeah,
You think so or no?
I definitely do.
What's wrong with your foot?
I sprained it.
You're good. All right.
Okay, let's go sit back in here.
He's got some change in his pocket. Just sit down.
There's a little change. He got a suit on?
Oh, okay. Oh, I got gear on, brother. Come on now.
Now he talking
Let's do a
shit.
run, though.
Okay, feet in.
Yeah. Come talk to me.
Just name, date of birth.
What is he doing
Door
now?
real quick will be easier. All right.
These cuffs.
What's up, buddy?
Cuffs are killing me. About 2 fingers worth not getting one.
Okay. When we get out, they'll probably have me take them off anyway.
That's
It's
what you get for running, you know? That's what I do.
You're all good.
Cinch them down.
Hey, you're all good. What's your middle initial, Shane?
Oh, I'm an idiot and I'm a little delirious from the run. I just don't want to say anything.
Okay, no problem. I'll just grab it from there.
Okay, yeah.
And you said your foot hurt. Your foot hurts, correct?
Yeah, this foot does. I don't know what I did to it. I got a set of boots I just got.
Okay, so your right or left foot? So I can let them know. Left foot? Okay.
The suspect is now checked out at the hospital, medically cleared, and promptly taken to jail. As police still don't have all the details of the fraud scheme the suspect is involved in, a day later, an officer questions him about the missing information.
So real quick, body cam, state of Washington, we're required to record anytime we talk with people. So that's running. You understand that side of it, right? Mm-hmm. So again, I'm Detective Stormer, Longview PD. I'm here to talk to you about something that happened in Longview here over the past week. Wondering if you're willing to talk to me a little bit about what's going on.
He look like he almost. Well, he about to talk. Never mind.
I haven't spoken to the lawyer yet, and I just am not all there. I'd much prefer to have a lawyer present with anybody.
So kind of what's happening, just so you know, and we won't talk about it. Incident happened this week. Obviously, we wear body cameras. The officer says you ran from him on some stuff. He's requesting a warrant just because you're here. So what will probably happen is I won't come back here, right? It's a decent of a drive. So I'm assuming the judge, PA, is going to get a warrant for you, extradite you back to Longview, and then go from there. So I won't talk with you again. Just imagine when you get there, you'll get an attorney. Do you have any other warrants around here that you got to handle while you're here?
I don't believe so.
Okay. So whenever you bail out of here, they'll ship you back to Cowles County, and then you'll see a judge, whatever the bail is, and then you can bail out there. But just so you know, kind of that's, I'm guessing what's going to happen.
Okay.
All right. Any questions about that?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, I figured, but I had to come up here and give you a try to talk to me. I am going to turn this off right now. But you did understand that this was recording, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Fortunately for police, the jail sergeant of the county jail happens to be directly involved in this case to fill in the missing details of the situation. The jail sergeant's wife was at a concert days prior when the license plate off of her car was stolen and
Oh, damn. You stole from the jail sergeant?
replaced with another different stolen license plate. The license plate was then found to be on the vehicle the
Hell
suspect used
nah.
to flee the bank when he was attempting to cash in the fraudulent check. Police are now able to put the full story together. The suspect broke into a house to steal a check and then stole the homeowner's vehicle as well. He then swapped the license plate of the stolen vehicle with the license plate off the jail sergeant's wife's car. He then drove this vehicle to the bank the day after to attempt to cash the fraudulent check in for $3,000. However, bank staff knew the check was fraudulent when the suspect signed a name that belonged belonged to an incarcerated person. Bank staff then called police, which is what led to the first incident shown in the body cam footage. The suspect, identified as Shane, was charged with felony forgery or counterfeiting, identity theft, 2 counts of felony possession of stolen property, felony fleeing, eluding a police vehicle, obstructing a public servant, and resisting arrest. He was adjudicated guilty and sentenced to 22 months in prison and 12 months of probation. He will be released back into the public in April of 2027 and, as of the time of publication, is lodged at the Cedar Creek Correction Center in Washington.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.